Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here one more job in Bharat Electronics Limited. Okay, so see this video till the last, you will get all the details regarding this job. So Bharat Electronics Limited is Navratan company and India premier professional electronics company under the Ministry of Defence. Requires the following personnel on contract basis. Okay, this job is for contract basis. So here trainee engineer for the qualification needed in aeronautical engineer, aerospace engineer, general 2, OBC 2, SCST 11 Bangalore. Okay, this is for Bangalore and number of posts is 6. And the project engineer 1, this is required ME Tech, BE Tech, aerospace aeronautical engineer. Candidate with ME Tech qualification should compulsory professional aerospace aeronautical discipline in their BE Tech BSc engineering degree. Okay, so it is for aerospace and aeronautical. Okay, so it is for Bangalore. So candidate who are applying for the post should be willing to relocate the place mentioned above and should also be willing to travel extensively across the country. So eligibility, the for training engineer I have told earlier that BE Tech uh, in aeronautical and aerospace engineering, and for project engineer it requires full-time course in BE Tech or ME Tech can be required, can be for MEM Tech in aerospace aeronautical engineer from the AICTE recognized university. Okay, now age 25 years for the trainee engineer and 28 years for the project engineer. Now remuneration 20 training engineer 25,000 per month, and for the second year 31,000 for the month for third year. Okay, so 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000. For project engineer it is 35,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Experience for the training engineer candidate 0 to 1 experience, so it means fresher can apply for training engineer, and for project engineer candidate should have 2 year post qualification experience. ME Tech no post qualification. If you have MTech in aerospace or aeronautical, you can directly apply for the post. Period of contract, it will be for 1 year from the date of joining. However, the same may be extended up to maximum 3 years. Okay, it can be minimum 1 year and maximum 3 years. And the project engineer 2 years for minimum and 3 years for the 4 year for the maximum. And skill test required: design and structure analysis for airframe, system engineer and aerial vehicle, design and analysis for guidance system, design control system, thermal design, design and autopilot, simulator development, terrace generations, and knowledge of communication system, C++, flight testing, knowledge of maintenance. Okay, teaching experience will not be considered. So if you have teaching experience, you can't be apply. So selection procedures: candidate who meet the eligibility criteria, the criteria will be eligibility criteria will be 75%, post qualification experience will be 10%, and interview will be 15%. Okay, the project engineer the qualification 75 and the experience will be 10%, and interview will be 15%. So here how can you apply? You have to apply. Candidate who are desired to apply the above posts are willing to be posted in the location indicated in the advertisement. There is a Bangalore. The candidate can only apply one post. Duplication of application can result the disqualification. Okay, so you have to apply for one post only, and the application should reach the manager HR SC and US Bharat Electronics Limited, Jalahandi, Bangalore 560013, and before 9/6/2021. So 9 June 2021 you have to apply. Okay, now here application fees will be 200 for 200 for training engineer and 500 for project engineer. And SC/ST candidates are exempted for the payment of fees. The application fee uh, should be fees will be at SBI Collect through online mode and through SBI branch. Candidate are requested to read the detail of a screenshot of making the payment. Candidate can also make a payment of approaching SBI branch. You have to select SBI branch of the payment option and download pre-printed challan generated through SBI Collect deposit and application fee plus application bank charge. Okay, candidate have to enter the SBI Collect reference number generated after the payment, and candidate may go through the instruction and eligibility criteria carefully. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the online site and download from there SBI Collect through the, and you can submit online and offline, both you can apply. Okay, so you can both you can deposit the fees. Okay, now then you have get the reference number, you have to fill that in the application form and send to the HR department, HR manager to the Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore. So here the, if you have any query, you can write the mail of hrtbs@bell.co.in, or you can directly go to the description box and click the main site of Bharat Electronics Limited. You can get the all details there. So thank you, good day and take care. Please subscribe and share this channel for more videos.